Joy, we continue here the second session. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, let's have a look first back again. This is our push function. Can you still remember? It returns true if we are able to successfully insert something inside the stack. It will return true. If it is not, if it is you are inserting something beyond the size of the stack, it will return false. So have a look back here. Again here. So here, as you can see, only if it returns true, then we will print the statement successfully added. Okay. If it is not, this means that stack is full. After this, the requirements say that after, okay, let's see. So here it will say output the content of the stack after attempting to add all the 11 numbers. So after we try to add, we will just print the array. Print array. Print array is actually a method that we already defined earlier. Can you still remember that? Print array. Can you still remember that? So it just it will loop through the stack data, and it will print all. Okay. Okay, so he asked us to test the program code that we created here. So whatever we created here, he asked us to enter this data. This is 11 inputs that the user is supposed to input, and then we test our code with it. Sorry. So in the next screen, actually, he will only show us the last 3 numbers. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know our array is from 0 to 9 here. It means that when we try to attempt to enter 21 inside the stack, there will be some errors, or it will refuse to enter. So if we make our code correctly, there will be no errors coming from Python, and it will automatically show an error that the stack is full. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so he said enter the number, and then we put 19, and then it will be successfully added. After this, we will put 20, and it will be successfully added. Here, our stack pointer, after this point, stack pointer will be actually 10. Okay, so if the stack pointer is actually 10, it means that there is certain condition that will fail. The condition say inside the push, if stack pointer bigger than 9, so print that the stack is actually full. Where is that? Actually, it is here. So if you remember, can you remember that?
Yeah.
So this condition will fail if the stack pointer is 10. Okay. Okay, good. So it means that, okay, it will print here, it will print the stack is full. Is it everything clear to you? Do you like us to try something similar on the Python compiler, or it's clear to you?
Yeah, can try.
Okay, okay, good. Yeah, okay, we can try. Good. So Joy, I'm sharing the screen with you, and I need your help here. So let's try to use our minds together and see how can we write the code without looking into the slides. So first, we know to create a stack, we need to define a global variable. Let's say stack data, right? And we also need to define what else? Tell me. Stack pointer. Okay. So if we talking, let's try the last code. So it means that the stack data will be carrying, it will be a stack. It will be a stack of integers, okay, from 0 to 9. Let's say we do the same last code, okay. So if we stay stack data here like that, and then we put, can we put like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Then what to put in the stack pointer?
0.
Okay, good. And then we come here. Okay. We come here. We say we define print stack. Can we do it like that? If we want to print, what can we do to print? If we want to print both these two, what can you do? Think with me.
Call the stack data and stack pointer.
Global. Okay, great. Stack data. Okay. Global stack pointer. Okay. And what else? We should print the first thing. What to print now?
Print the stack data.
Okay, fine. But okay, and normally let's, in the slide he used a for loop. So tell me what to put in this for loop. In range, what is the range that we should put?
10.
10 only? No need from 0?
Oh yeah, 0 to 10.
Actually if you put 10 also can. It's okay. Actually correct. Okay, so we print. So what to put here?
The stack data.
Okay, but how to write it? What to write here? What to write here?
0:10.
No.
Oh, 0:9.
No. So 0:9, actually what you are trying to say is actually is valid, but not in this point. What you're saying is correct, but not in this point. Okay. So if we want to print in a for loop, means that we, okay. So in a for loop, what we are doing, if you use this print statement, every time the loop runs. So okay, first, how many times we are going to run this loop?
10.
Okay, so it means that x will start with value 0 until x equal 9.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if we put here x, so it means it will print all the content of the array starting from 0 until it reaches 9. Does this make sense to you?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so the second thing that the print stack actually need to do is to print the stack pointer. So I think this is easy, right? Just use the print command and then pass it the stack pointer. Sorry, stack pointer here, and then print. Okay, can we try to call the print stack first and see if it works or not? Let's see. Okay. How to call that print print stack? Can I do like that? Should it run? Should it run? Should it work? What do you think?
It should. It would work. Wait, no, print stack.
Oh, really? So it's like that will not work?
Wait, it might. If it doesn't, then it should be print stack.
Okay, let's run. We lose nothing. So, okay, I want you to, so yeah, to be able to pass paper 4, you'll be able to run, you'll be running on actually a real compiler. So tell me, what is the issue here?
You should be declaring that you are printing print stack.
Okay, no, please look with me. File main.py. This is our file, right? So line is 233. Where is the line 233? This one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
he's saying syntax error expected what?
the colon.
Yes. So every function or method should be having a colon here. Sorry. Like that. Okay, can we run again?
Yeah.
Okay, it works. Okay, so what does it print here? It prints from all the zeros because we didn't put anything inside the stack data yet, right? The array is empty. Okay,
Yeah.
but what do you think? I want to try something. What do you think it will do if we put in range here 11? Do you know?
Mm.
You see here? Here,
Yeah.
I'll put 11. Do you think it will work?
No.
I see. So I want you to read the error.
Because the stack data doesn't have sufficient space.
Yes, so line 239, this is very important. Line 239 here, he will be coming when this index become 10, he will try to print something inside, but there is nothing. The error is list index out of range. It means that you already exceeded the size of the array. Okay? Okay, good. So this means that this should remain 10 here. Okay, now we should define a function called push, which means that we need to put something inside the array, the stack data. Okay, we pass a parameter value, the things that we want to enter. Then we copy these two, we put them here because we'll be using the global variables. So, okay, just let me. So if I created this variable here like that, I put sum equal 0, right? So that is a variable that is local. The scope of that variable is local. It means that outside that push function or method, it will be unknown. Nobody can access it. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now we already know we cannot. Okay, first, what the push do? Let's think together. What the push do?
Push adds the value.
Okay, so before we push something inside the stack, what should we check first? We should have a if statement. What should we check?
If the array is full.
Perfect, perfect. So how we know that the array is full or not? What is the indicator to us that the array is full or not?
When the stack pointer is at the last, which is the ninth array, and it
Yes.
has value. All of it has value. Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, yeah. Pop, pop, pop. If stack pointer, yeah. So should we print here? What should we print here? Stack is full.
Yeah.
Okay, and okay, and we also can write return true. Okay, else. Okay, now tell me what to put. So now we know it will come to the else if the array, the stack is not full, right? So what should we do first? What should
Output a print an output that says enter a value.
that is actually possible. Although that's not what we looked there, but no, but wait, wait. So the value is actually passed as a parameter here. This means that the user should have, before you call push, you should have entered a value because, so okay, look here. Here, after you print the stack, you should actually say to the user input, so you say value or val equal integer input enter a value and okay and int value, okay, like that. And then after this you should take push, I think, yeah, push, and then you pass it a val. So it means that before you call the push, you should be having some value to pass it to it, because the push method is actually taking a parameter val. So you cannot pass a parameter 0. You have to pass it something. Did you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay. So it means that here we already have an input to put. So now we should start to input that value here inside the stack. How to put that?
Um, push push value.
Okay, wait. Actually, this is a, we are now inside the method itself that's called push value. So we need to do something to the data stack data. So the stack data is an array. How to put a data inside the array? So this is stack data. Okay, we need to put something inside it, but at which position? So assume, okay, that is your stack. Okay, and this is the first time you enter something inside the stack. So your stack pointer here, actually first position is 0. So now it's pointing here at 0 position. Okay, so actually you want to enter your first value here. Okay, and this is called what? This is called stack data. Okay, so this is stack data. You want to enter something here because this is the first time you enter a value inside the stack. So what to put here? So okay, easier. So to be able to enter that position, any position in array, to enter it, we have to use the index. Index in our case, so index is the thing that is pointing to which place inside the array we want to put. So this is the position 0. This is 1. This is position 2. Okay, this is position 3. To be able to put something inside the array, we need to use square brackets. Okay, so to specify which position, we need to put a number here, but the number is controlled by the stack pointer, because the stack pointer is the thing in our case that tell us before before we talk about stack, a normal array, you don't need to care about stack pointer. Okay, but in stacks, it have a certain way of working that you need a stack pointer to always point where is the last element that you used or inside that you put inside the array. Okay, so in our case, this is the first thing we enter inside the array. So the array is totally empty. So the stack pointer is pointing to 0. So to put something inside 0, we need to use a stack pointer. How to use a stack pointer? Can you tell me? Sorry. How to use a stack pointer? Any idea?
Stack data.
Stack pointer, like that. So actually, okay. So now I want to go in the array that is called stack data. Go to the position that is defined by the stack pointer, and put my value inside here, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So after okay, if I do not increment now, so now, okay, now position 0 here have a value. It have a value already. I cannot put something inside again. So I need to always increment my pointer to point to the next location, to the next empty location, which is 1 now. So if we don't increment the stack pointer, next time we want to do a push again, it will insert a value again inside the same position here. So it will overwrite the previous value, which is not, this is not how it works. We should always retain the values that we enter. Okay, so the next step now is to say step pointer equal stack pointer plus 1. Do you understand this? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, this should return false, and this should return true. True means that the data was inserted. Okay. False means that the stack was full and we cannot insert anything. Okay, let's try to run and see if this line works. So he asks us to enter something. So let's say 2. Okay, he accepted it from us and it works, but we never printed the stack. So let's try to, after we push here, let's try to print the stack again and see. Okay, now let's put 5. It printed 1, 5, 0, 0. This is a bit strange. I'm not sure why it does that. Can we think together why it does that? This is an interesting thing that we should consider. Why it print 1 here? I have no idea why it printed 1. Okay, can we run again? Why not? We will not lose anything. Okay, if I printed 4, it always print 1, huh? Let's see if I to be able to know what's wrong, I can try to comment that and no, but yeah, I understand that. Yeah, this is actually, we should never do that again because that's confusing. Stack pointer. So that is actually, the 1 is actually the position of the stack pointer. So it's let's see. So he's now printing stack pointer 0. Then we enter a value 8. So again, when we print the stack, so he will print again what is inside the stack pointer, and then he will print whatever inside our array. So I entered 8. So at the first position number 8, it actually printed 8 to us. But now notice the stack pointer now is not pointing at 0 anymore, because at 0 we already put 8. So now it become 1. That is the output when I print the stack again here. Does this make any sense to you so far?
Yeah.
Really? So
Yeah.
can we think together now how to do the push, or should we continue what we have been doing? Should we continue the slides, or we do the pop? We define the pop.
I think we define the pop.
Okay. So tell me, how can we define? We know this is, we just put here. This is clear. So what the pop do so that we can think together?
If the stack pointer is less than 0.
Okay, let us think about it. Okay, if the stack pointer is okay, I never see any condition that the stack pointer is less than 0. That when the stack pointer is 0, it means that the stack is totally empty. It means that
Yeah.
okay, so we always should check for equal 0, like that.
Okay.
So if the stack pointer is 0, then the stack is actually empty. Okay. If it is not, what should we do? So what is the pop doing? Pop is actually removing something. Remove a value. Okay, no, wait. We remove the last entered value from the stack. Okay, so now we know what should we do now. What is the thing that is pointing to the last value inside the stack? So now we know that our stack is not empty. So it means that it has something. We don't know where, but it has something. And what we need to do, we need to get the last item entered inside the stack. So let's make a condition. Okay, let's say our stack pointer is pointing to 1. This is the 0 position. We entered 8 here last time, so we put here 8. Here still 0, because this is from the first time. And the stack pointer you see here is pointing to 1. Okay. So I want to now get whatever the last item that I entered. So what can I do? So now this is the exact condition that we should be following. So tell me, we need to get something from inside the stack. The stack, this is the stack, right? Stack data. This is the array. So first, should we say stack pointer like that? Wait, stack. Should we do like that, or should we? So that's, sorry. We print whatever inside the stack. In your opinion, this should work. So I'm getting now. So if the stack pointer is pointing to 1, I'm trying to get whatever inside 1. But is that correct?
Yeah.
So we should stop here and we should enter again.